What's up, traders? Head ass. What's good with y'all, man? It's MET. I know I ain't did this in a minute, so my X is probably finna be terrible. X. Oh, I ain't gonna lie. That's the one. XRO, man. That's the one. I ain't gonna lie. Y'all be clowning me for my X's and all that, but they still gonna be shit, you know. Sometimes they gonna be good, sometimes they gonna be trash, but I ain't gonna lie. I haven't done that X in like a good couple, probably like a week. So, you know, my X is really up there for real, you know what I'm saying? Y'all know when I first started doing that, my X's was over here looking like Y's and all types of, it was not good, bro. But it was good with y'all, man. Today is 6/6/2023, and the day is Tuesday. I knew the day. I was just looking at my phone just to make sure I had the right wallpaper on. You know, I'm not lying to y'all. I wouldn't lie to y'all. But yeah, man, what's good with y'all, man? Hopefully y'all having a great day, great week, you know, all that good stuff. You know, we got the Lofi in the background, you know what I'm saying? This gonna be a little chill, little video where we just talk, you know what I'm saying? No trading today. I didn't trade today. First things first, if you ain't got me on IG, make sure to follow me on IG. Click the list. Fuck, I'm already stuttering. Click the link in the description down below. That'll take you to my Instagram, my TikTok, and the Discord. So man, make sure you go follow me on IG. I post when I trade, when I don't trade, you know, and all trading stuff, and then on my personal life. So if you want to talk to another trader or just, you know, be surrounded by other traders, join that motherfucker. Yeah, man. And if y'all ain't in the Discord, join the Discord, bro. You know what I'm saying, y'all see what's going on. Y'all see all the little stuff we got in here. We got trading me, you know what I'm saying, all the little stuff we got, the non-trading talk, the motivation, education. This is the winning setup. So, you know, people when they want to trade, they send it to the chat. This is today. This is all today. So, you know what I'm saying, hey man, why not? You know what I'm saying, we got hella traders in here, new traders, experienced traders, you know, mediocre traders, you know, where they, you know what I'm saying, they still finding their way. You know, it's all types of shit in here. So if you got trading questions, you just want to be surrounded by traders and trade sessions with other people, you know, they all talk about what they're looking at. And it's technically some signals get sent too. So, well, a decent amount of signals get sent. So make sure you go check that out, man. Link in the description down below. Now, we got all that. We done with that shit. All right, done with that. Where we at? All right, so boom. So, now on the challenge account right here, I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I did blow it. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I'm just playing. I know a lot of people was like, yeah, he blew that shit, I fucking knew it. No, you didn't. No, you didn't. You ain't know it. I was just playing with you. But yeah, man, as of right now, I'm 2-0 on the account. Let me go back to the days where, let me see what day I took the last 2 trades. So did I trade this week? Today is Tuesday. Yeah, I didn't trade this week yet. You know what I'm saying? Me personally, I didn't see anything in the market. Now, we all trade different. I know a lot of people in my past videos, they was like, yo, bro, you know what I'm saying, this setup had this setup had that. And I'm like, yeah, that's cool. You feel me? That's cool. Ain't nothing wrong with that. But for me personally, we all see the market different, you know. I don't never try to knock nobody the way that they trade. My shit is lagging like shit. Holy fuck. Yeah, new computer soon. But yeah, we all trade differently, man. You know, I'd really just try to just stay in my lane, you know what I'm saying? Hey, when somebody's in a good setup, it may not make sense to me. But if I really want to learn like how you do shit, I'm gonna ask you how your setup is. But man, we all see the market different. Like I said, June 23rd, where the hell am I going? What the fuck? Okay, I'm tripping. My bad. But yeah, I'm 2-0 on the account right now. 2-0 on the account right now. I believe the day that, yo, why my shit lagging extra hard though, bro? This shit is not it, bro. I ain't gonna lie, I still like I'm on them damn school computers and shit, loading hella slow and shit. Damn, I got fucking 34 programs, 4 viruses, 5 Pornhub stars probably trying to hit me up and shit on the bottom right. I know y'all see them new 2 notifications on the bottom right. I'm not clicking on them. You're not finna catch me in 4K. Sarah trying to meet up with me in my city. She 4 miles away. I'm down the link. After this video, of course. Gotta put the charts first. Gotta put y'all first. So yeah, this trade right here, this is one of the trades I took on the pair of GBP JPY. This is my most recent trade. You know what I'm saying? It did us good, you know what I'm saying? Went straight to the point, literally straight to the point. The candle that we entered off of was right here. You know, it gave us a wick, and then the next candle, boom, just shot up, and then the rest was history. Now I've already went over these trades, I believe, and you know, it's just a nice little demand setup. And the next trade was on GU, so we finna hop over to GU, man. So hey, man, let me know how y'all week going. NFP week, we went 2-0. 2-0 in NFP week. I love to see it. You love to see it. Well, maybe if you're not a hating person, you might love to see it. But you know, you got a lot of haters in the world, and they don't like to see it. So, hey, man, I do want to say I appreciate y'all support on the last video, cause y'all went crazy, bro. A lot of people say they was fucking with the intro. A lot of people say, you know what I'm saying, they enjoy it. You know, the videos aren't boring. I try to make these as entertaining as possible while still getting the message across. You know what I'm saying? You don't want to just be goofing around and, you know, cracking jokes and shit, but behind screens you over there unprofitable as shit. You know what I'm saying? Blowing accounts and just, you know, sad as hell. You get on the camera, yeah. No, you're not gonna find that over here, bro. If I'm unprofitable, you gonna know. I ain't gonna lie. I'm gonna tell y'all straight up, like, yeah, I lost this week. You know, I'm always keeping it up with y'all. You know what I mean? Yeah. If you know what I just said, you know what I just said. Now I'm trying to find the GU, but this shit is hiding. Okay, we gotta go back one more day, I think. Hold on. My fault. Hold on. Let me relax. But y'all know, yeah, the low fee in the background, I ain't gonna lie. I'm a low key. Alright, bro. Oh, can we just find this setup? I just wanna show them setup, man. But yeah. Boom. We have another beautiful demand setup. You know what I'm saying? You don't see no indicators. I'm gonna say indications on the chart. No indicators on the chart. No stochastic, no RSI, no, you know, none of that bullshit. You know what I'm saying? I'm a naked chart trading man. You know what I'm saying? Naked, you feel me? So I don't really like indicators. I don't have nothing against them. I just personally found it more easier to trade without the indicator. Well, I see set up right there. Could took that, but no, this shit probably wouldn't hit for shit. But yeah, man, this is our trade right here. This is our trade. Now, what I originally wanted to talk about is like my thought process on like just how everything is going. Now, everything is going pretty smooth, pretty good. I know I didn't trade today or yesterday, and I have 23 more days left to trade. And I'm not really worried about it, you know, because damn, I had a damn motherfucking unprofitability loogie in my throat, bro. But yeah, I'm really focused. I ain't gonna lie. I like the way this challenge is moving right now. I'm 2-0 right now. I'm not trying to jinx anything. Not trying to, you know, just letting it be. Trying to take setups when I see setups. I'm not forcing anything. Not rushing anything. And in these challenges, you really gotta be picky with your setups, but not too picky, if you understand what I mean. Like, you know, a lot of people, they like high quality setups, but then there's other people who just they want everything to be lined up perfect, and every setup's not gonna be perfect. And just because the setup isn't perfect just doesn't mean you shouldn't take it. You know what I'm saying? There's good setups and then there's perfect setups. You know what I'm saying? Good setups where you have most confluences going your way. Perfect setups where everything is going your way. But every day you're not gonna catch that perfect setup. Now, I know a lot of people, maybe if you're a swing trader, you know, you can handle going days without trading, because once you get that one trade, you hold it for multiple days, and you know what I'm saying, the money adds up because you hold it for a long time. But as a scalper, you don't want to have a strategy, especially for these prop firm challenges where they only give you maybe 30 days. I know other prop firms do like 40 days, all that other shit, but it could definitely make you feel like you're limited and add more pressure to you, because you don't want to take your perfect setups. So me, I take, you know, setups that make sense to me, and I'm not always looking for that perfect setup. You know what I'm saying? If I have most confluences going my way and I follow my trading plan, I'm taking the trade. And if I lose, then I just lose. And you know, it is what it is. You know, like I say, you know, we only have a certain amount of time in these challenges, and a lot of people do feel pressure, you know, and that's fine. You know, this isn't my first time taking this challenge, so I know what to expect. The only thing that's really different about this challenge is me uploading this to YouTube and recording everything live. And I have never really done that before, like, you know, like from when I first started the challenge all the way documented through. So I'm not gonna sit up here and say it's a lot of pressure for me, because you know I've been doing live trading videos in the past, but you know it is what it is. Like, I'm not scared to show my losses. You know, I take trades that make sense, and at the end of the day, if I fail the challenge, then I'm just gonna be able to get better. I'm gonna find out what I did wrong, or y'all can even tell me, hey, you know what I'm saying, I feel like you should have did this, should have did that, and at the end of the day, we all learning together. So that's what my mindset is with this challenge. I'm feeling good about it. You know, 23 days left. I feel like if we can hit at least get two more wins this week, we'll be sitting pretty good. On the account, we're up 400 on the account, so I'm feeling pretty good about it right now. I'm not gonna lie to you. You know, we're not down in the account. We're up 2-0 right now. You know what I'm saying? We got decent momentum. You know, we're taking smart, good trades. And hey man, hopefully y'all enjoy this series. Real shit. You know, I find it fun that, you know, I'm able to do this and document this. And I ain't gonna lie, when I first started this challenge, I was like, damn, I'm gonna document the whole thing. Like, what if this happened? What if that happened? I just like say fuck it and just, you know, just record it. Just, hey, start it, record it, and whatever happens, happens. And hopefully I can get funded, you know what I'm saying, and show y'all all the little, you know, show y'all that it's possible, you know, like, because I know a lot of people out there, they either haven't started funded the channel, funded. Hold on. Let me take a sip. Had to take me some beer, you know what I'm saying? 10:24, I can't, oh my God, I'm out of here right now. But, you know, beer in the morning, head ass, this is cranberry juice. I'm not gonna lie, it's some type of juice. I poured this shit up last night, and it's still here. So, yeah, but, the challenge is going pretty good. I'm trying not to sit up here and just think of shit to say. That's all I really got to say. I'm feeling pretty good about the challenge. Time-wise, we're doing pretty good. And yeah, this is just a little update video, bro. Like, it's nothing too much to say, you know. I just wanted to explain all the things that I'm feeling, all the things that I want to see, you know. Hopefully by the end of this week, we can maybe hit, I would say, 21,000. Hey, if we can hit 21,000, I'd be cool. But hey, if not, then that's cool. You know what I'm saying? We gotta just keep working our way up and take advantage of the days that we have. So, you know, because you know there's gonna be days where the market isn't doing good, like today. And yes, well, today that I didn't trade. So, you know, I always try to take advantage of the days that the market is good. So, without further ado, but I'm finna end the video. The fuck am I talking about? Yeah, man. I know y'all. I don't know. Like, I just keep shit simple over here, bro. I just keep shit simple. I try to keep shit simple, easy to understand. You know, try to be entertaining with shit. And yeah, man. So hopefully the next trading video will be a live trading video. So if I get a trade tomorrow, I don't know if I'm gonna drop it tomorrow. I might drop it Thursday or something. You know, I don't know. We gonna see. This is the end of the video, so you can low-key just go ahead and click that full screen, you know what I'm saying? Like the video if you haven't, and then click off and, you know what I'm saying? Go do what you want to do, bro. It's summer. You know what I'm saying? If you want to go beat up some raccoons or go ride on some drives, you feel me? Go vandalize the city. That don't got shit to do with me. Look, you show love on my video, go do what you want, bro. Just try not to do no stupid shit. But hey, man, that's all I really got to say. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. And yeah, this is it. You gonna click off, or you just gonna look at me? You just gonna stare at me, ain't you? You just gonna stare at me like you always do, bro. Like, you can't just click off the video and just go check your notifications on Snapchat, or go vacuum your carpet, or wipe the ceiling, or, you know what I'm saying, bro? Go clean, bro. Go do something, bro. Don't look at me.